2010, they took advantage of a red card for the opponent starter.
But a perfect example again of a guy that had so many important contributions for this group. And in a rare occasion where we think about Lamine Yamal was going to win wearing the number 19 shirt at 19 years old, turned 19 throughout the tournament, and yet scored one goal. That's a scary thought, that he's a World Cup winner on a day where he wasn't the star. But he understands what his role and what his importance is to this team, and he is willing to play that role for the betterment of the group. And I think big smile is we will think about not just what they did, but how they did. This team will be remembered for so many years about just how dominant they were. Thinking back to that opening day when they drew against Cape Verde. Scoreless draw, you asked me, are you worried about Spain? I wasn't. But I didn't know they were going to go and win in this dominant fashion.
There are now in the history of the Men's World Cup 5 teenagers to have won the World Cup while playing in the final, and 2 of them are on this Spanish team for the best young player at the tournament. And Luis de la Fuente is a great example, as his predecessor as World Cup winning coach was Lionel Scaloni of the Federation Man. He was the youth national team coach. He's now, at the age of 65, the oldest coach to win the FIFA World Cup.
He said it best in his post-match. Most important one of all, he is now a World Cup champion as well.
And here comes Rodrigo Hernandez Cascante, better known as Rodri. Better known as Golden Ball winner for most outstanding player at this World Cup. Former Ballon d'Or winner as World Player of the Year, either side of a torn ACL.
What a player.
A man who has done so many things, and really a guy that makes being a defensive midfielder cool, because he wins the most outstanding player of the tournament, not by scoring and assisting and doing all these things, but by doing all the other things. And now it will be the job of Rodri.
Barcelona हामी त बार्सिलोना भने अर्जेन्टिना फेरि पर्फेक्ट
here in North America. And they traveled from Atlanta to Guadalajara, to LA, to Dallas, and here in New Jersey. One final act of this incredible summer of soccer for Rodri to lift the trophy for the celebrations, to begin both here and overseas. Spain have won the
कता गयो मेसीको फ्यानहरु अर्जेन्टिनाको फ्यानहरु अर्जेन्टिना भन्दा नि मेसी भएर मेसीको फ्यानहरु भयो अति नै धेरै भुग्नी के त्यो चुरी फुर्ती हेर मान्छे भयो के रे चुरी फुर्ती लाउँथ्यो भुग्नी के त्यो कुकुर जस्तो धेरै अति नै ठिक्क भयो
मजा आयो
हेर्नै सक्यो खानाहरुलाई
रोयो
यसको एसिस्टेन्ट
यो दामी
दामी हेर्नु
7 नम्बरकै गोल हान्ने मान्छेको
ये सबैले गर्नुपर्छ त्यो अब अहिले के गर्नुपर्छ अब गए मेसी हैन मिस ई रहेछ
As we see Messi depart the field and the trophy held aloft, John Strong, Stu Holden, thank you for your incredible work all summer long. Plenty more
यस्तो हो क्या रोनाल्डो नि मन पर्ने मेसी नि मन पर्ने तर मेसीको फ्यान
त्यस्तै रोनाल्डोलाई उ गर्ने के त्यही भएर मलाई नि दिसुने के हामीले नराम्रो भन्दैन नि आफ्नो त्यो मन पर्ने हुन्छ नि आइडल हुन्छ नि
आइडल हुन्छ हैन आफ्नो आइडल हुन्छ हैन कोहीलाई मेसी मन पर्छ
कसैलाई रोनाल्डो मन पर्छ
जे मेसीको नि एकदम राम्रो फ्यानले गर्दाखेरि नि यो हुनुपर्ने के
हामीले अर्जेन्टिना अनि तिनीहरूले भन्छ नि अब रोनाल्डो हार्यो अब यिनीहरू अर्जेन्टिनाको चाहिँ जोसँग खेल्छ त्यो डिफेक्ट